Good day, everyone. Last week, the Supreme Court released Bar Bulletin No. 6, series of 2022, highlighting the digitalized examination process and the dates of the 2022 bar examinations. Here, we will share the salient features of the Bar Bulletin as stated by the Supreme Court. The digitalized bar examination process. The Bar Bulletin highlights that the Supreme Court will continue to use Exemplify as its main application to secure the examination delivery program for the 2022 bar examinations. This means that your main exam booklet will still be your laptops or your devices na i-approve ng Supreme Court. In the light of the Supreme Court's continuing efforts towards a regionalized and digitalized platform for the conduct of the bar examinations, in the following success of the 2020 and 2021 bar examinations, the Supreme Court decided to continue to use the Exemplify application. Examinees will be using their own devices in their preferred venue. So again, it will be the venues of the bar examination will be disseminated throughout the country and monitored by in-person proctors and closed-circuit television cameras in the exam room. So yan, well monitored ang mga examination rooms and exam venues. So take note, don't even try to cheat or break any of the guidelines of the Supreme Court kasi they're watching. Access to the computer-based testing software will be available to all bar examination applicants up to take the bar examinations, whether conditional or unconditional. So there, if you have questions whether makakapag-exam ka kahit na conditional or unconditional yung nakalagay doon sa status mo, we will be able to take the bar exam basta may bar exam number ka. Then next, the instructions on how to use and navigate Exemplify will be announced in a separate bulletin, which will include frequently asked questions regarding the process of registration, access, and use of the program, the recommended system requirements for the examinees' devices, as well as the list of allowable accessories and peripherals. So there, we'll do another instructional on this. Himayin natin yung guidelines na i-send or i-send out ng Supreme Court. Lalo sa frequently asked questions and dun sa registration process, tsaka dun sa devices, especially dun sa devices. Okay, let's wait for that separate bulletins. Next, to yung pinaka-meat ng bar bulletin is yung exam dates. Except for unforeseen circumstances and contingencies which may necessitate the scheduling of dates, the 2022 bar examinations will be held on November 9, November 13, November 16, and November 20. All of them falls on a Wednesday and a Sunday. Details pertaining the exam venue selection will be announced in a later bulletin. Okay. Sabihin ko na sa inyo guys, hindi ganun kahaba ang 3 days, pero it's better than what we had last year na 1 day na pagitan. So I hope you guys include yung time management during the day of the exam or the 12 days na i-google nyo during the exam week proper. So there. Again, let's review. The Bar Bulletin says that it will still the Supreme Court will still use Exemplify as an application. Second, it will release a an instructional, including frequently asked questions and the process of registration, access, and use of the program. And last, here are the dates of the bar examinations. So there. Paunti-unti, it's getting real. Maraming kinakabahan, pero I tell you guys, kaya yan. Kaya yan, guys. Good luck and God bless.